Okay, fourth grade, welcome back. I hope you are loving using small numbers to help you find the answers to big multiplication problems and using area to help you do that. So let's do an even bigger problem. So what if I have 12 times 16 and that's two-digit numbers that I need to maybe break up or figure out. So remember, my first step is to decide what am I going to break up. I'll just decide to break up the 12. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. I'm going to break up the 12 into 10 and 2. So now my next step is to draw my model, to draw my area model. So I'm going to draw my rectangle. I know this is a 12 by 16 array. Let me delete that. It's a 12 by 16 array, and I chose to break up my 12 into 10 and 2. This section is 2, this section is 10. So now I have two smaller rectangles, one up here and one here, that I need to find the area of each section, find the area of the small rectangles to help me find the area of the big rectangle. Well, 10 times 16, we know the rule for multiplying by 10. 16 times 10 or 10 times 16, that's going to be 160. And 16 times 2, oh, I think I need to do a quick addition. 2 16s, 16 plus 16, 6 plus 6 is 12, carry the 1, 32. 16 times 2 equals 32. Okay, I have my two sections. Now I use my smaller, the area of my smaller rectangle to find the area of my big rectangle. My big rectangle here, 160 plus 32. Add those two up, add the area of my small rectangles to get the area of my big rectangle, 192. So 12 times 16 is 192. A 12 by 16 array, or 12 by 16 rectangle, has an area of 192. And I know that because I used a small multiplication problem to help me find a big multiplication problem. Let's do one more. This is the real challenge. This is a really, really, really big problem. So I have 56 times 25, and I think that 56 is way too big for me, so I'm going to break it up. I'm going to break it up into 50 and 6. Okay, so let me pick a different color here. I have my 56 array, rectangle by 25. 56 by 25, length times width to find the area. And I'm breaking that rectangle, into smaller multiplication problems to help me find the answer to the big one. So I decided to split the 56. 56 is just way too big for me, into 6 and 50. And notice that I'm doing 50. I'm breaking it into tens and ones because multiplying by a number that counts by 10 is pretty easy. So I have to do 50 times 25. Whoa, that's gigantic. 50 times 25, yikes. I can kind of think of 25 like quarters. 5 quarters, 5 times 25 is 125 cents. But this was 50, so I add a zero. Oh my God, oh my goodness. 50 times 25 is 1,250. Yikes. That one's a little crazy. If you needed some help with that one, that would be okay. Okay, and then I have 6 times 25, and I'm again going to think of 25 like quarters. So I know 4 quarters is 100 cents. 25 more cents, 125 cents. 25 more cents, 150 cents, or 150. 6 times 25 equals 150. Oh boy. So now I have 1,250 plus 150. Whew. 0, 0, carry the 1, 4. Wow. So 56 times 25 is 1,400. I broke my 56 into 50 and 6. I multiplied my parts. You are going to try some more and then go to your lesson practice. Good luck.